In this quick tutorial, I will show you red eye tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump into this. So I am now in Adobe Photoshop. You can see red eye effect due to camera flash. I have collected from this image from Pixabay. So I am first of all unlock it, just clicking here and it will be unlocked. So I am right clicking here and accessing the red eye tool, which keyboard shortcut is J. So this is the red eye tool. Red eye tool fixes the red eye effect caused by camera flash. You can see here, fixes the red eye effect caused by camera flash. So if any red eye effect happen due to camera flash, it will fixes this. So how it can fixes this? It has the two buttons at pupil size. If you make it 100, it will cover full pupil. When it's edited, remove the red eye effect and darken also whole darken, but darken 100 if you use 100% full frequency, and if you make it 50%, it will darken the image 50%. Okay, so this is the very straightforward tool. So how it happen, how it works, please see. So just selecting this red eye tool, then just drag around the red eye effect of the eye. So leave the mouse, it will automatically remove the red eye effect. So if you can see that here is also few red eye effects. So if you need, you can consider multiple times. Okay, so you can consider multiple times. You can see that red eye is gradually removed from the pupils surrounding pupils. Okay, so you should attempt multiple times if needed, or most of the time it is removed red eye effect by one dragging or clicking. So that's the red eye tool in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.